Thinking about getting a Brazilian wax? Concerned about irritation or bumps? You're not alone. Today, I'll show you how to prepare safely. Get ready for silky smooth skin that lasts. Why is preparation important? Proper prep is key for a safe wax. It can reduce redness and prevent post-wax bumps. Plus, it helps your smooth skin last longer. First, let's talk about skin preparation. Gently exfoliate your skin 24 hours before waxing. Avoid doing this on the same day. Your skin should be clean and completely dry. Skip lotions, oils, and perfumes. Aim for hair length of 1/4 of an inch. It's the perfect length for the wax to grip. Now, let's move to the waxing process. Always check the wax temperature. It should be warm, not hot. Use clean applicators, never double dip. Hold your skin taut and take slow breaths. This can really reduce discomfort. After your wax, focus on aftercare. For the first 24 hours, avoid workouts and hot showers. Skip tight clothing too. Apply aloe vera gel or a fragrance-free soothing lotion. Be gentle and avoid exfoliation for 48 hours. This allows your skin to recover. Want the smoothness to last? Start gentle exfoliation 2 to 3 times per week after 2 days. Moisturize daily for hydration and softness. Schedule waxing every 4 to 6 weeks. This weakens hair regrowth and keeps results longer. By following these steps, your Brazilian wax can be safe and smooth. Enjoy long-lasting results. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more wellness tips from MTH Health.